Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year! I can't believe it's 2019. Like, time really does fly. Okay, so as you might have already noticed, today's video is a little bit different. I'm doing it voiceover style because, it's the new year. Let's try new things. I mean, why not? Am I right? Okay, if you love bananas, then two things are going to happen today. One, you're going to love today's video, and two, we're automatically best friends forever because today I'm sharing with you the best banana bread recipe ever. I've done lots of experimenting with banana bread over the time, and this is one of mine and my family's favorites. It's dense and moist, and it actually tastes like banana. It is just everything, and I love it so much, and I hope that you do too. Okay, let me shut up and show you what you're going to need. We will be needing some, come on, flour, sugar, sour cream, salt, baking powder, melted butter, vanilla paste, eggs, and of course, bananas. Now get yourself a big bowl, pour your melted butter in there, pour your sugar in there, and then you just mix it all together. And you know that it's the best of I'm sorry. What am I doing? Yeah, ignore that part. Mix it all up until your butter and your sugar are one, like so. Probably should have used a spatula, but a whisk is fine, or mixture's gonna loosen up really quick. Next thing we're gonna do is incorporate our eggs and then add your vanilla paste and then give that a stir too. Whisk it all up until it is a nice smooth mixture. So make sure you're breaking up those egg yolks and breaking up that vanilla paste so you can see all those beautiful beans in your mixture. I like vanilla paste for that reason, but if you don't have vanilla paste, you can definitely use vanilla extract. That'll work just as well. Okay, this is looking pretty good, nice and smooth. The next thing we're going to do is combine all of our dry ingredients together. So pour your salt and your baking powder into your flour and then just take a whisk or a fork, whatever you have, and mix those all up until they are well incorporated. Next, you're just going to pour your flour mixture into your egg mixture, grab yourself a spatula, and mix it all up. At first, it's going to seem like it's too much flour and like it's going to be too doughy of a batter, but don't worry, we still have our sour cream to add, so that'll loosen it back up later. This would probably be easier in your stand mixer too, but hey, we're just trying to earn this banana bread today. You know what I'm saying? It's just going to be that much more delicious. Okay, you want to mix it all up until your flour is at like 90% incorporated. At this point, you're still going to see some flour bits in there and stuff, but it is now safe to say that I'm just trying to stall here until the next clip. Pour your sour cream in there, and then we're just going to fold that into our batter until it is nice and smooth. You're just going to see it loosen up before your eyes. Make sure you get the edges of the bowl and the bottom of the bowl so that you don't have any sour cream streaks or flour chunks anywhere. Super easy stuff here. Oh, side note. Sorry I'm terrible and horrible and just I suck at this whole thing. And I forgot to tell you that you have to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not too late to do so. Please do it at this point, at least. Not going to tell you again. I'm just kidding. Yes. So this is looking good. Nice and smooth. Beautiful, beautiful. What's next? Oh, the bananas. Of course, the bananas. Now you can see that I added mine sliced up, and usually in banana bread, the bananas are mashed, but this makes such a difference for me. I love getting like bits of banana, like actual banana in my banana bread. It's so life-changing. You have to try it this way. promise you. And you don't want your bananas to be too ripened this way, just, regular ripeness. Otherwise, they're going to get like all mushy in there, and I want them to keep their shape, okay? Trust me on this one. Okay, now here I have this 9 by 5 inch baking pan that I have greased up with some baking spray because it's just easier that way. Let's get real. You want to pour your entire batter into your pan, and then it's time for telly bye-bye. I'm just kidding. I'm so sorry I said that. After 60 minutes of baking, this is the beautiful end result. Let it cool in the pan until it's cool enough to handle, and then we can unmold it and we can experience it in its full glory. I like letting it cool completely before I slice it up, and then, oh my goodness, just look at that. You can see the vanilla beans throughout the bread and the chunks of banana, which don't look that appetizing, I'll give you that, but they are so, so good, I promise. And this bread tastes even better the next day. I hope you try it out, and if you do, please let me know in the comment section what you thought about it. I would love to hear that. Also, the full recipe is listed in the description box below. Check that out. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you're having a good day or night wherever you are, and God bless.